All right, gang, I ain't dead. I've been a busy week. Have done a little bit this week as far as building the truck. I got some brackets under this welder to mount it down. I turned it around, face towards the driver's side. The fuel gauge came in, I put it in. I meant to make a video on that, but didn't. If you need a video to snap an old gauge out and snap a new gauge in, you need to not be buying a welder. But anyway, I painted the top, got rid of some rust that was up there on the side. You guys saw that. I did a little layout on the headache rack. I purchased a toolbox. I'm pulling the veteran card on my tag. I got my spare mounted. I got the headache rack started. That's pretty much it for this week. We put the new tires on the snapper, mowed the yard this week. We haven't done a damn thing with that air compressor since we bought it. But back it up in this hole. We did get the safety caps for the torch assembly, whatever you want to call it. All right, it's Friday. About 5 beers in. One more quickie overview of all the progress. Blah, blah, blah. I know it's a pitiful video. It is what it is. This is Mo Damn at Tire Creek Ironworks. Out.